Every parent wants the best for their child: good health, happiness, and a healthy smile. It's never too early to start caring for your child's teeth. An early examination and preventative care by a specialist pediatric dentist will set your child on a smooth road to a lifetime of healthy smiles. Because children with healthy teeth chew food easily, they learn to speak clearly and they smile with confidence. It's proven that good oral health goes hand in hand with good general health. And by developing good habits at an early age, you're protecting your child's smile now and in the future. Find out how to give your child the best start to oral health. Download our free report today.